Alright everyone, this is room 1305. It's the preferred junior suite oceanfront room. We're going to give you a brief tour. Don't mind some of our mess because we did sleep here last night, and so it's not as clean as it was when we first arrived. Over here, this is just like a little area where there's like a little coffee bar. We did order room service tonight. There's also a cute little fridge, snack area. Here's what they have. It's usually just water, juice, and soda and beer. Any hard alcohol you'll have to get downstairs at one of the bar areas. If you look over here, here is our bathroom area. You can see there's 2 sinks, mirrors, plenty of room. They also give you lots of little things for while you're here, such as lotions, things for the shower, an extra toothbrush, razor, soap, all kinds of things. The toilet has a little door over here that just kind of opens and shuts. It's a little dark, sorry about that. There is a gigantic shower with multiple shower heads. Huge walk-in space. Lots of room. And then the main living area space is right over here. You'll see there's just a big TV on the wall. We have a king bed. This is an iPad that tells you everything that you need to know about the resort, from the dining to entertainment, spa, tours, all of the different activities and services offered by the hotel are on there, which is really nice. We actually ordered our room service right off of the iPad. Again, here's the king bed. The lights kind of change different colors if you have it on the correct setting here. There's a nice little sitting area where you can either lay down or just sit over in the corner over there. The phone gives you access to call pretty much any area of the hotel should you need anything. And then it's a little stormy out right now because we're here during a tropical storm, but it's a pretty cool little balcony area. It's got a nice little tub if you wanted to take a little jacuzzi bath. We're right on the ocean front. The ocean looks pretty bad today because it's kind of rainy and stormy. There's some huts out there, but when it's sunny, it's gorgeous and beautiful. We're not sure how long we're going to be in this room, so we just wanted to give you a view while we were here. That is the room. One final thing, if you do order room service, they do have a little door where you just drop your trays and everything right in there, and they will pick it up for you.